Hi dear students and welcome in this video lecture. This video lecture is based on the MCQs, that is the multiple choice question on the base on the previous video lecture. For this MCQs you have to learn the previous video lecture and observe carefully to each and every point. Now we are going to learn some MCQs which based on the previous video lecture. Now start these questions. The first question is the structural and functional unit of all living organism is obviously the tissue, organ, cell, organ system, and the main answer is the cell. Cell is the structural and functional unit of all living organism, and we are already discussed this topic in last video lecture, and this is the right answer, that is the cell is the structural and functional unit of life. You know, the group of cell which are form the tissues, that group of cell which do the same, which having the same origin, which do the same function, and this is called as the tissue. And group of tissue, these are participate in the formation of a particular organ, and the group of organ, these are participate in the formation of a particular system. And so many systems, these are present in the living organism, that is a multicellular living organism or complex living organism. The right answer is the cell. Cell is the structural and functional unit of living organism. Now we are going to learn the next question or focus on the next question. The second question: which of the following scientist was the first to observe and describe a live cell? You know, I told you in last video lecture, the first cell observed the Robert Hooke and also Anton van Leeuwenhoek. But actually the cell wall, that dead cell wall observed the Robert Hooke, and living cell observe the Anton van Leeuwenhoek, and which include the blood cell, which include the human sperm, which include the muscle cell, which include the cells of insect, and also the bacteria observe the Anton van Leeuwenhoek, and these are the live cell, living cells. Actually, Mitchell Sheldon, which postulate or propose the cell theory, which formulate the cell theory, or it is one of the member of which formulate the cell theory. Robert Brown observed the nucleus in the pollen grain, and Rudolf Virchow explained that cellula omnicellula is cellular, that means the new cell, these are formed from the pre-existing cell. This is the sentence of Rudolf Virchow. Actually the live cell observe the Anton van Leeuwenhoek, and this is the right answer of this question. Now we focus on the next question. Nucleus was discovered by by the Robert Brown. Robert Brown discovered the nucleus, and he observed the nucleus in the pollen grain when he do the work on the reproduction. Actually, Nicholson, Camillo Golgi, and Anton van Leeuwenhoek, they having the different discover. You know, Nicholson explained the sandwich model of the cell membrane. How the cell membrane, these are made up of, that explain the Nicholson. Camillo Golgi explain the Golgi apparatus or Golgi bodies. This is one of the cell organelle which is present in the eukaryotic cell. And Anton van Leeuwenhoek observed the first live cell with the help of a microscope, which he self made for this observation. Now we focus on the next question. Propose the hypothesis that living beings are composed of cells. Actually, the Brown observed the nucleus, and Nicholson who explained the sandwich model or mosaic sandwich model of the cell membrane is Sheldon and Shevan. They explain that the cell theory, but right answer is that the Shevan explained that the hypothesis that living beings are composed of the cell. Living being, these are composed of the cells, and this is the sentence of Shevans. Now we focus on the next question. Cell theory state that. What is cell theory state that? Actually, all cells have the nuclei. This is the you can read this cell theory. No. Our option is all cell possesses chloroplast. The third option is all cells are reproduced by meiosis, and fourth option is that cells are the basic structural and functional unit of living organism. Actually, all cells have the nuclei. This also this is not right. Some cells these are without nuclei. For example, prokaryotic cell, these are not having the nuclei, and so this is the wrong sentence, or this is not explained in the cell theory. All cell possesses the chloroplast. This is also wrong. In animal cell, the chloroplast, these are absent, and these are not explained in the cell theory. All cells, these are reproduced by meiosis. Actually, meiosis, this is one of the cell division which takes place at the time of formation of gametes, and this is also one of the step of reproduction. But some living organism in which mitosis, cell division, these are takes place, and reproduction, these are also takes place, and this is one of the type of reproduction that is called as the asexual reproduction, and this is not explained in the cell theory. Cells, these are the basic structural unit of living organism, and this is the right answer. This is cell is the structural and functional unit of living organism, and that is the structural unit of living organism. Now we focus on the next question, and this is the omnicelluli cellula was proposed by. Omnicelluli cellula, that means the new cell, these are formed from the pre-existing cell, and this is the sentence of Rudolf Virchow, and this statement, these are take for formation of this or make the cell theory, and this is the main sentence. Rudolf Virchow explain, Robert Brown explain the nucleus, Antoine Leeuwenhoek observe the living cell. W. Fleming. W. Fleming explained the chromosome structure in the mitosis cell division. Mitosis cell division ज्यावेळेस होते त्यावेळेस क्रोमोझोमचं जे स्ट्रक्चर आहे वेगवेगळ्या स्टेजमध्ये ते एफ फ्लेमिंग यांनी एक्सप्लेन केलेलं आहे. हे एफ फ्लेमिंग यांचं सगळ्यात मोठं डिस्कवर आहे, जे खूप छान पद्धतीने त्यांनी हे सक्सेसफुली यामध्ये सांगितलं आहे. अँड ही ऑल्सो कॉल्ड ॲज द पायोनियर ऑफ सायटोजेनेटिक्स. सायटोजेनेटिक्समधलं त्यांना पायोनियर म्हणतात. पायोनियर म्हणजे जिथे त्यांच्यापासून सायटोजेनेटिक्स स्टार्ट झालेलं आहे. पायोनियर म्हणजे उगवता किंवा जिथून ते स्टार्ट झालेलं आहे. नाव वी फोकस ऑन द लास्ट क्वेश्चन, and this question is identify the smallest cell among the following, and I know your answer is the mycoplasma. Mycoplasma, this is the smallest cell in the world. But erythrocytes, these are the RBC, red blood corpuscle. आपल्या रक्तामध्ये ज्या लोहित रक्तपेशी असतात RBC, त्यांना इरिथ्रोसाइट्स म्हणतात. त्यानंतर न्यूरॉन्स, आपल्यामध्ये जी नर्वस टिश्यू आहे त्यामध्ये न्यूरॉन्स सेल प्रेझेंट असतात. त्यानंतर बॅसिलस हा बॅक्टेरियाचा एक प्रकार आहे. यात सगळ्यात स्मॉल सेल आहे मायकोप्लाझ्मा. त्यानंतर सेकंड येतं बॅसिलस, त्यानंतर आहे इरिथ्रोसाइट, आणि यात लार्जेस्ट सेल आहे न्यूरॉन. पण यात स्मॉलेस्ट सेल आहे मायकोप्लाझ्मा. दिस इज द करेक्ट आन्सर. अँड नाऊ वी सबमिट these टेस्ट. And after the submission 8 out of 28, that is each question having the 4 marks. Now I going to stop this video lecture, and we will meet in next video lecture with a next topic of the cell structure and organization. So we meet in next video lecture. Please like, subscribe this video for next video. We will meet in next video lecture. Thank you so much for watching this video.